Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? Surprise for all of you! I have two good news for all Dogecoin holder, my brother. The first good news is that, my brother, to please the giveaway of Dogecoin is coming soon now. So if you want to participate, just only click the subscribe button and press the bell icon and get, my brother, 10,000 Dogecoin coins. Why you miss this chance? Take a risk and get a profit. There is no risk, my brother. Just only you need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. I will make special video for giveaway now. So kindly you need to wait. Alright, the second good news, my brother, for all of you. Absolutely, a lot of experts predict this coin, and definitely, my friend, he is bound to upcoming time Dogecoin price will be increasing. There is, my brother, 70 to 80% chance they will be moving upward. So I can't expect this, my brother, but let's see, my brothers, to really can they will moving upward. Let's predict this live now, my brother. Alright, this chart is absolutely, my friend, very good, my brother, for our prediction now. So this is last 24-hour chart, as you can see here, just and only, and this time you can see here minus 0.1% they will lost. This is the average of last 24 hours, so kindly don't see, my friend, this average now. Alright, as you can see, my brother, the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So that's clear, my brothers, to after this fails they will starting moving upward now. That's, my brother, you can see here, that's the point. After, my friend, after a fails they will take a jump, and the last arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear, that's 100% sure, my brother, to upcoming time the price of Dogecoin will be increasing, and they will give you a very good profit at the end of August now. So please don't miss this chance, get a profit, and absolutely they will give you a profit. So why you miss this chance? This is a very good time, my brothers, to you will take a profit now. Please, you need just only subscribe this channel. When they will fail us down, I will alert you. When they will moving upward, I will alert you. So why you don't subscribe our YouTube channel? Kindly subscribe it. Alright, so thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, and if you like this video, so please just give me one comment. I will really love you, my brother, for all of you. So please, thanks for watching, thanks for coming, and absolutely, my brother, for subscribing our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.